So today, we're gonna do a weight loss challenge. I will commit myself from day 1 up to day 365 that I will put all the hard work, efforts, and discipline regarding this challenge. And if I manage to complete this challenge, I hope you subscribe, Mr. Beast. So let's see my physique in day 1. Mr. Beast, subscribe!